Hey everybody. Students are struggling to make their way to find Google Classroom, so I'm going to navigate you to as far as I can, and hopefully this will help. So students, you're going to go into the search bar and you can type in www.johncdaniels.org, and I automatically have that pop up because I go there quite often. So once here, we're going to go to physical education, click on physical education, and we're going to go to this first posting and click on this link, dboshea7.wixsite.com/phys-ed-teach. Click here. It takes a moment to load. And this is going to bring you students and parents, if you're watching, to Mrs. O'Shea's website. So students, you can either click on students up here on the home bar or on the circle. Either way will take you to where we need to go. I really hope that we're able to facilitate this website and Google Classroom to just have lots of extension from school on. And I'm actually creating this at school and the internet's running slow, so just be patient. Okay, so here on the student page, you can see the classrooms are accessible, and currently the only class that you cannot link into is the third grade. Third grade is not accessible right now, and the health ed classes do not have links to them. So you're going to choose the grade that your child is in, or your child should be choosing the grade that they're in, clicking on the link, which will bring you to their Google Classroom, or the accounts page to their Google Classroom. Just like taking a moment. And so from here, as you can see, some students have already used my computer to log in to their account. So they're going to use their lunch pin and their password. So for students that are unsure on how to sign into your Google account through New Haven Public Schools, you need to, for your username, it's your lunch pin, which is a string of numbers, and then it's at nhps.net. So you can see this student here, Christian Perez, he's got his string of lunch numbers at nhps.net. And then for your password, you see, I wrote it out the long way for you, but it's the first letter of your first name, the last letter, and then I did this incorrectly. The first letter of your first name, month, date, first letter of your first name, first letter of your last name. So this is an example. So my first name is Darcy, my last name is O'Shea. So it's D-O. My birthday is July 28th, so 0728, and again, D-O. So hopefully if you're unsure about that, you're able to navigate onto the student website. So you're going to log on, and then from there, you will see a plus sign, and then you'll join, and you hit the plus, and you're going to be asked to join the classroom. And from here, you need the classroom code. And so as you just saw, I clicked on that PDF, and you see grade 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are just for physical education classes. Have the codes, and we're using the bold-faced letters and numbers as is. And you type that in, and it will gain you access into the classroom. From there, I hope to be able to then post something. I have to find a student to give me access into their classroom portal, and I can give some more directions. But hopefully that just gets you to be able to sign in to Google Classroom. Thank you.